This video guide will equip you with the techniques needed to bring this fearsome predator to life on paper using nothing but a simple pen. Pay close attention to the subtle curves and angles of its limbs and tail, ensuring a dynamic and lifelike representation. Learn to accurately render its distinctive features, including its powerful jaws, elongated snout, and armored hide. Watch the full tutorial now and unlock the secrets to drawing awe, inspiring wild crocodiles with pen on paper. Learn to capture the raw power and primal beauty of Wild Crocodile with this captivating YouTube tutorial. Gaze into the eyes of your creation and learn to capture the predatory instinct that lies within. By mastering the art of shading and highlighting, you will breathe life into your crocodile's gaze, making it a captivating focal point of your artwork.